In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create user flow Miro. To begin, open Miro in your web browser and go to the board where you want to build your user flow. In this example, you will land on a board view, which is the main canvas where you can add text, shapes, and connections. If the canvas looks empty or zoomed out, take a moment to center yourself. You can pan around by clicking and dragging on the background, and you can zoom in or out so the area you want to work on is easy to see. Next, you are going to use the highlight tool. On your Miro board, click on Highlight. This tool is useful for drawing attention to a specific part of your flow, such as a starting point, an important screen, or a key decision. Highlighting helps make your user flow easier to scan, especially when you share the board with teammates or stakeholders. After you select Highlight, your cursor will be ready for you to place highlighted text on the canvas. Now, type in Highlight. When you start typing, Miro will place that text onto the board using the highlight style, which makes it stand out from regular notes or labels. Keep the wording short and clear so it reads well inside the highlighted area. For a user flow, this kind of highlighted text is often used for section headers or key markers, like an entry point or a major step in the journey. Place the text near the part of the flow it refers to, so the layout stays easy to understand. As a quick tip, give yourself a little spacing around the highlighted text. This helps keep your flow readable and prevents elements from feeling crowded. If you need to reposition what you just added, you can click and drag it to a better spot on the canvas, then adjust your zoom to review how it looks in the overall flow. That covers everything you need to know.